Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. Look at my Valentine's bouquet. Okay, so if you're new here, thank you for coming. I appreciate it. My channel is all about bargain beauty deals, how I can get them, how you can get them, and how we can help each other out with them. And I also share how I get free stuff, whether it be cosmetics, beauty, skincare, or even just random stuff like cleaning supplies. So if you like that, then be sure to hit the subscribe button. To my subscribers, thank you for coming. You guys all know how much I love you. Here's my look for today. Here, let me get a little closer. Okay, so if you guys, I don't know if I like the lip. I might change it because it was a little more purpley when in the bottle. So I might change it. I don't know. This is a Wet n Wild catsuit one. If you don't know, I live in Southeast Louisiana. So it's Mardi Gras. It's our first official parade on the North Shore. If you don't know what the North Shore is, I live on the North Shore. New Orleans is considered the South Shore, and then there's the lake there on the South Shore. I'm on the North Shore, so I live probably 22 minutes from New Orleans. Not New Orleans, but you know. I don't know why I'm drawing a blank, so I'm sorry. But so I wanted to go with a little purple and green Mardi Gras look. So this is my interpretation of that. And I do think I'm going to change the lip, but that's irrelevant. So tonight's our first parade at 6 p.m. So I thought I'd get this video out there real quick before, so I can get ready for the parade, because my boys have been looking forward to it forever, all year. They love Mardi Gras. Everybody loves a good parade. So today is Boxy Charm. So I want to put this out there real quick. I hear a lot of people getting broken products, and that sucks. I know what a disappointment it must be, because you look forward to getting this and you pay for it. So if you have a problem with your box, I urge you to reach out to customer service, because Boxy Charm's customer service is amazing. They get back to you like that. I have emailed them a couple times, and I am not kidding you when I say it has not even been 24 hours. They have emailed me back that day with a response. So if you have a problem with your box, please reach out to their customer service. Also, I have heard a lot of people complaining that they don't really like what they're getting. And if you don't like what you're getting, that's fine. Stop your service. You don't have to receive this box. And I'm not trying to make anybody feel bad by any means. But what is something that bothers me is you are paying $21 for this box plus tax. So I think it's like 23 and some change. That's it. That's it. So you might not like everything that you're getting, but you're getting a really good deal regardless. So if you don't like what you're getting, just stop. Don't get it. You don't have to. It's your choice. It's your money. Spend it how you want to. But regardless, this is still an amazing deal no matter how you flip the coin. So I got, my box weighs 1 pound, and I got variation 3. So you open it up, and mine was packaged just like this. This is how I got it. So I got saw people who got like shorts foams, and that's so horrible. And there must have been a mistake, because I don't think everybody that I saw that was happening to, they had a different variation than me as well. So let's get back to this. This is torn and bent, but this is Afterglow in a box. So I'm super excited about this. So let's just get right into it. The first thing I see is this Trastique. I got another burp, you guys. What is up with me burping on camera? Dang it. Trastique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. This is, I'm going to prop this up right here so you can read. This 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. I'm going to push that up for you so you can see the color a little better, okay? The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft, and this is magnetic, a pop of soft, shiny color. This is probably my favorite part. Watch. Ah, I love it. So somebody was telling me you prime your lips. I saw this on another girl's video because she's familiar with these and she uses these, and she said she loves them. Then you take the flat end. See how it's flat right here, you guys? You take the flat end and you line your lips. And then you take it and you turn it the wide way. The wide way. And then you fill it in like a lipstick. So I think, let's color swatch this as well. Here's the color. It's a pretty color. It's a pretty color. I'm not even gonna lie. That's a really gorgeous color. And it is super smooth. So I'm excited to use this. What is this color called though? This is English Rose. So that's a beautiful color. Again, it's magnetic, so I love that. So that's our first color, and this is a $25 value. There's your box value right there, you guys. Right there, there's your value. You're getting your value's worth is just my point. That's it. And you guys, I have like a metal top kitchen table where I film at, and this is sticking to it. Like, it's so funny. It's magnetic. Okay, next. This is the the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. Create a seamless canvas of your foundation with your new Touch and Soul Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Primer. That's a tongue twister. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. It has a really good smell. It's like a clean, it's like a green tea, like florally scent. So this smells good. I love a good pore filling primer. So this I'm excited to use. You know what it kind of reminds me of is the e.l.f. poreless primer, not the putty one, but the one that comes in the pink bottle. I wonder if that's what this is. That's what that's a dupe for. I wonder if the e.l.f.'s a dupe for this one. Let me know if you know anything about that and what your opinion is on that. So next is Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. You guys, it's like tongue twister all day today. This is soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated and naturally derived ingredients like coconut sugar, amino acids, and powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, glandula, aloe, and licorice root. I hate licorice. And this, you guys, is an $18 value, so we're already at $39. This is a $22 value, and we're going to smell it right now. I definitely smell the what is that? The botanical chamomile. I got a stuffy nose, but yeah, I don't know if I like the smell of this, but I will use it. And that's just such a good deal. $22 value, so 22 plus 39 is 61. Paid $21, we're already $61 in. The next thing I see is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Acacia Senegula tree extract sets volume while forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. $24 value. There we go. And people were wondering, saying that they were looking into this because there wasn't a seal and that it was expired. And Joe released a statement saying, no, do not go by those because Too Faced made a special batch of these Better Than Sex mascaras for Boxy Charm. So this is not something that Too Faced rolled out and then sold at a discount for them. These were specially made for Boxy Charm. So these have not been used. They have not been bought from a third party. These were specifically manufactured by Too Faced for Boxy Charm. Just so that's clear as well. Our next thing is, which I'm really excited about, but then I was like, oh, I really wanted the bronzer, but I got the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. And you guys, I got a question, and let me know below. Is the Shimmering Swan the color? Because on the back, Mine says 41 glimmers of BS. It's glimmers of BS, and I don't want to be monetized. I don't know if I can because I have 80 subscribers. But so is that the color glimmering BS or shimmering swan? Let me know down below if you know the answer to that. So, Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlight Glimmers of BS. Allow your skin to capture that light any room you walk into with a unique, velvety, smooth highlighter infused with the glow-loving, light-reflecting pearl-essence pigments. With this highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. This was a $24 value, mind you. This is a $32 value. I would never pay $32 for this. But, you know why Pretty Vulgar just does, ooh, this, I don't know. Ooh, look at that, guys. Oh, that's so pretty. She's pretty. I have a lot of highlighter on because, like I said, we're going to the parade, and I really wanted a good little bright color makeup look to be pretty in pictures because I do a lot of pictures at Mardi Gras time. But I love Pretty Vulgar's packaging. They kill it. Look at that. That's just gorgeous. It's like an old antique frame. So, again, and this was, you guys, my brain's not working today. This was the third version of it. I can't think of the word. This is variation 3. It weighed 1 pound. 1 pound. 1 pound. I don't remember what the measurements were. Dang it, I meant to get that down too. But I did write down the weight of it because I did remember that this time. And we got the Trestique English Rose Lippy. We got the Better Than Sex Mascara. We got the Tetrasol Poreless Primer. We got the Pharmacy Clean Bee Face Wash. And we got the Pretty Vulgar Glimmering BS Shimmering Swan. I'm never going to let that down, you guys, ever. What color are you wearing? Oh, what's the highlight you're wearing? Oh, it's Glimmers of BS. But this is a $121 value. I paid $21 plus tax. And I think it's worth every penny. Okay, I'm going to unpopular opinion here. I'm not a fan of the Better Than Sex Mascara. I know everybody loves it. It's their go-to. It's their ride or die. It makes my lashes clump up together. So I'm not the biggest fan of it. But I will see if my oldest daughter, I have a 19-year-old daughter who lives in Oregon. She'll be 20 on March 11th, so I'm old. I'll see if she wants it, and if she doesn't want it, I don't know, maybe I'll give it a chance again, or maybe I'll send it to one of you guys. I don't know, because, I don't know, I feel like maybe I should give it another chance just because I haven't used it in years, and I only used it a couple times because I didn't really like it. I don't know. I'm really excited about everything I got. I personally think that this is a great box. I think it's a great box. Even though I don't like the mascara, it's not my favorite, I still think that this is an incredible deal. I got a great lip product to try. I got primer that I can greatly benefit from. I got skincare, which I'm 38. Oh, no, I'm not 38. I'll be 38 in May, though. So I'm really, really trying to invest in my skincare lately. So I got a great new face wash to try. And I got a highlighter from a company that I really enjoy. Now, I know some people don't like Pretty Vulgar. Okay. And I mean, maybe, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think that people saying that Boxy Charm is losing their steam and they really haven't been doing much this year? Because I think they've done great this year. I think they've done amazing. I started Boxy Charm in December, so this is my third box. And maybe that's why I still think it's so great. Maybe I'll be complaining in a year. I don't think so, though, because I'm so grateful when I pay $21 for something and I get 6 times what I pay back. I'm super grateful for that because that saves me $100. Like, hello, I'm excited about saving $100 alone and getting some great products to try out at an extremely discounted price. So that's my video for you guys today. If you're not yet, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed that video, give this a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that bell and you can be notified of every video I upload. Also, I think I might go live. No, you guys are going to get this after. I wish I knew how to edit because I would have edited that out, but I don't. So tonight, me and my family will be going to a Mardi Gras parade, and I think I may post a video about that. I don't know. We'll see how the filming turns out with that too. So I love you guys. Thank you for coming. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, you guys, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.